Hello guys, this is Vysh. So what happened in history on August 26th? Okay, we have done editorial till 26th, but this series was pending. So we'll quickly discuss what happened on this particular day. You can see on the screen already, and not many important things are there, but still, okay, internationally if you see, it is International Dog Day. Okay, like we have seen Elephant Day, Lion Day, Tiger Day and all. So just like that, it is a International Dog Day. And then in USA, they celebrate this Women's Equality Day on August 26th. Okay, then we have this historical thing, Alauddin Khilji, who killed his own uncle and then became the Khilji ruler. He started capturing one after the other, because when he became the king, many people did not like it. So many, even it's like Muslim noble people or the Hindu nobles, anybody who's there in the kingdom, they were opposing. So he first tried to capture more and more places, more and more forts and many things, and even till south he wanted to expand the complete Islam kingdom, and also that was his vision. So he actually attacked and captured the Chittorgarh in a historical battle on August 26, 1303. Then in world science, if you see, Thomas Alva Edison in 1910, he made an improved version of the kinetophone. That's actually the camera kind of thing with which you shoot movies and all. Present day we have the excellent cameras and cinematography and all these things. So the initial form of that, or a version of that, he has made a kinetophone, so that he presented to people. So the which has audio video sync. Okay, so that is one historical thing which happened. Then it's Mother Teresa's birthday and Maneka Gandhi's birthday. Okay, Mother Teresa, she was a Christian nun, you can tell, who dedicated her life for humanitarian works and helping the poor, established many such places, okay, homes and schools and all. So she's originally not from India. She is from a place which was like Yugoslavia those days, and now it is part of this Macedonia. So her birthday is on August 26th, 1910, and the 1956 August 26th, Maneka Gandhi's birthday, who is again now into politics, a political family. She was the wife of Sanjay Gandhi, who died. He is not there now. So you can tell daughter-in-law of Indira Gandhi, former Prime Minister Indira Gandhi. So these are the important things which happened on August 26th. Okay, so make sure that you are watching editorials, because in that free mains answers we are giving you every day. Today's also you will see August 28th. It has excellent articles on the Himalayan tourism projects and even the refugee crisis of Rohingyas. There are many things which direct questions have already come and will come again in the future. So please watch it seriously. Okay, and if you want current affairs compilation for any exam, we have this monthly PDF. So you can enroll to these individual packs which you see on screen, or the combo packs like 5-year, 3-year, 2-year. This will help you learn and clear any exam which involves current affairs. Okay, it will have every kind of things which happened that month in the form of question and answer, with prelims question and answer, and also certain notes also. So contact us in WhatsApp, and more and more interesting things are going to be announced. You can wait for that. And the batch 2 2024 1-year test series, that is also still going on. It's officially closed, but still, if somebody missed it, if you did not know about Vysh IAS, you can still come and contact and get it. Okay, so I'll wind up this video. Thank you and have a nice day.